second question, you have a 3060 set square has its longest edge in the VP and it is inclined at 30 degree to the HP. Its surface makes an angle of 45 degree with VP. Draw its projection. Now first, always we need to ascertain the conditions ourselves. So first, let us assume that this is the 3060 set square. This is the 60 degree side, this is the 30 degree side, and we can name it A, B and C. Now it is said the longest edge is on VP. Here the longest edge is the hypotenuse AB. Now AB is in VP, that is the vertical plane. Third condition, it is given and inclined at 30 degree to HP. So AB is also inclined at 30 degree to HP. Fourth condition given is surface makes an angle of 45 degree with VP. So surface angle is 45 degree to VP. Now here you need to understand something. Object, the plane object, any plane object like this, like the sheet of paper, it has got an edge or it may have a diagonal or a diameter. Now either this diagonal, this diameter or the edge, which is basically a line contained by the plane, that line may make an angle with the reference plane. As well, the object may itself make an angle with the reference plane. Both are not same. Any line, suppose this is the HP and I am saying the longest edge of the triangle is making angle 30 degree with HP. This means that it can be like this, 30 degree to HP. Now this triangle, there is a side of the triangle. Now there can be inclination of the side. It can be like this. I can say the longest side of triangle is inclined at 30 degree. It can be like this. It is inclined at 30 degree to HP. But this does not mean that the triangle itself is inclined. Okay. So it can be, the surface inclination can be like this. You see, this is what I call a surface inclination. This, the side is not inclined, but the whole surface of the triangle is inclined. Now for any given plane, there can be both side inclination as well as surface inclination. For example, if you take this pentagon even, you can have this base side inclined at 45 degree to the HP. But if I say the whole surface is inclined at 45 degree to HP, I do not mean it. I do not mean this. I mean the whole surface, it is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Same is the case with VP. If you have VP like this, a side of the pentagon can be inclined at 45 degree to VP, and this can be as simple as this. Only this side of the pentagon is at 45 degree to VP. It is making an angle of 45 degree to VP. But if I say the whole pentagon is making 45 degree to VP, it can be something like this. It is making an angle of 45 degree to VP. Okay, or something like this. Now at this angle, the whole surface of the pentagon is making an angle of 45 degree to VP. Now, both this condition arise in case of plane. There is something which is surface inclination and there is something which is edge inclination. Now in this question particularly, there is surface inclination and condition 3 is there which relates to edge inclination. Now when both the things are there in a question, we first solve surface inclination and then we solve edge inclination. So in this question it is said, if you carefully see, and if this is the HP and this is the VP, it is said there is this set square, 3060 set square, something like this, and it is said longest side, say longest side this AB, this is in the VP. So if we consider initial position, we can consider that the whole triangle is in VP. Whole triangle is in VP. That the whole set square is in VP. Now it also speaks of surface inclination. Surface is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Now in this condition, what you can see in HP? Now if this is the base condition, it is said longest edge is in VP. The initial position you can consider the whole set square to be in the VP. Now in this condition, what you can see on HP, it will be a single line. Now how will you incline it to incline it at 45 degree to VP? You cannot. So what you need to do, you may need to take the object like this. If the object is like this is contained here, this is contained on the VP, and you may incline it. You may incline the plane, which will be a line. The plane can be inclined and the object will automatically incline at 45 degree to VP. So first we do the surface inclination. ऐसा हो गया. Now taking the same image, you keep the image rotated at 30 degree to HP. Whatever comes is the final solution. First remember, we solve for the surface inclination. The whole surface is inclined. Then we solve for the edge inclination. We simply take this image is taken and it is kept inclined at 30 degree. And then whatever comes, we will see it. So first you draw this XY reference line. X dash. This is VP, this is HP, and we need to place the triangle first. So what we can do, we can place the triangle like this. This being 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and you can name this triangle as A, B and C. This is a basic set square. Now what you need to do, you need to take the projection. You simply take projection from these points, and what you get here is the plane this much. This is C by A and this is B. Is it clear? Now what we do, this triangle is triangular set square is parallel and is on VP. There is no distance you can see in the HP. Now you simply incline the angle. What it is said, surface inclined at 45 degree to HVP. When surface is inclined at 45 degree to VP, angle can be determined on HP. So on HP you take a line at 45 degree. You see what is the distance? This is C by A, this is the distance B. You mark the point B here. This is the line, this is the triangle. Now basically what you have done, you have catch hold of it and you have rotated it. Catch hold of the thing and you have rotated it. Once you have rotated, this rotates. Now resultant image on the elevation. We again take back the projection. This is A, it will come here. This is B, somewhere here, and this is C, up to here. And what you find is another triangle which is bit elongated or squeezed in from the side. So this is A, this is B, this is C next. Once this is done, we transfer it here. You can name it 1, 1, 1, anything. So once this is done, now the surface inclination thing is over. Condition A is over. Condition 2 is also over. What we are left with is condition 3. That is AB is making an angle. That is one edge of the triangle is making an angle of 30 degree to HP. Now which edge it is? It is this one, AC. We can change the name, AC. AC is making an angle of 30 degree to this HP. Now what you can do, from 30 degree to HP will be reflected in VP. So you can draw a line at 30 degree to HP and simply take this image and recreate it here. How will you do it? First you mark point A. With the compass or divider you mark point C. Now take this B, AB. With the compass simply mark an arc. Take this dimension, take this as radius CB. First you take AB as radius. From point A, A1 you mark this arc Then take CBS radius from point B, you mark this R. What you get is the triangle. This image, basically we are retracing the same image here, recreating the same image in same size and proportion. That is required. Once you do it, you will get something like this, another triangle of the same size and shape. So this is B1 dash, A1 dash, and C1 dash. Once this is done, now you need to take the projections back here. Once this is done, this is A lies here, so this will be A. Then here, this is B lies here, so this will be B. A1, this may be B1, and C is again here, so C will be here, C1. So you see, this is the final plan, and here it is in 30 degree. Now since this is the final plan and elevation, we will darken it out. Simply you darken it using thicker pencil, and this is the solution. Thank you.